Hello children. Today I will start Mughals and the Marathas. Last class you studied children about Mughals. About Mughals you learned children who established Mughal Empire and who was Humayun and Sher Shah, even Sher Shah's administrative system, and even you learned about Akbar children and you learned Akbar's administrative system. Today I will start children revenue system. Yes children, this was one of the important achievements of Akbar's administration children. He brought Jubti system. Jubti into practice children. It is called as the system of Todarmal children. Jubti andra ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ತೋಡರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರು. ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ he brought a Jubti into practice. It is called as the system of Todarmal. Bamboo measuring sticks children with the iron hooks were used to measure the land. The land was classified. Why they are using children for a measurement of a land they were using. The land was classified as a Polaj, Parauti, Chachar, Banjar children. With the exemption of Banjar means barren land based on the fertility of the soil. All the other land was classified as excellent, average and mediocre. Mediocre means medium. Each farmer was given a patta children. Yes, here children. Yeah. The police system during Akbar's time was well children, organized and capable. There were police stations in the Faraganas children. Akbar encouraged art and architecture to children. The important monuments in Fatehpur Sikri are Khwaja Bhaga, Daftara Khana and Jodhabai Palace, Daulat Khana, Panchmahal, Birbal House, Kabutar Khana, etc. children. Panchmahal see children here. Fatehpur Sikri. Yes. After Akbar, his elder son children, Jahangir, came to power children. He provided good administration and continued all the policies of Akbar children. He had personal as well as a matrimonial relationship children. Matrimonial means vaivahika sambandhagalu with Rajput jote. He liberalized few restrictions against the ruler of Mewar. Jahangir personally led an attack on Mewad ruler in 1613 CE Volaga and defeated him children. After Jahangir, his son Shahjahan came to power children. Shahjahan. Yes. Who was Shahjahan children? A son of Jahangir. During the reign of Shahjahan, the Mughal invasions on the South India continued. Noble Khanjahan Lodi of Afghanistan rebelled against him and got defeated children. And he also defeated Portuguese in 1632 CE and annexed Hooghly from them. He took Ahmednagar under his control. His relationship got spoiled children with the Sikhs and the Bundelas. He faced defeat by Uzbeks while trying to conquer bulk region from them in Middle Asia. Shahjahan followed the method of valuating a land based on its fertility and fixed land tax based on it. Taj Mahal, Red Fort at Delhi and other important buildings are his contributions children. Since he encouraged the art and architecture during his reign children, it is called as the golden period children. When whose time children? Shahjahan time. The period was called the golden period. In the end, there was internal rivalries among his sons children. Shahjahan's sons, he is having internal rivalry, jagalagaliddu, to succeed him. Aurangzeb finally became his successor children. After Shahjahan, his son, in between his sons, they got a rivalry. After that, Aurangzeb finally became his successor. Banda Shahjahan Nandra, Aurangzeb Bandra. See children, Taj Mahal. The Mughal king Shahjahan built the Taj Mahal. You know this. In memory of whose memory children? His wife Mumtaz Mahal on the banks of the river Amuna at Agra in the state of Uttar Pradesh, children. It is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The construction of this monument was 1632-1653, children. This is built using white marble stone. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world, children. ಇದು ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ 7 ವಿಸ್ಮಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುನೆಸ್ಕೋ ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಎಸ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಶಹಾಜಾನ್, yes children, after Shahjahan, his son, children, who I told already, Aurangzeb, he came to throne, so he was the successor of Shahjahan, Aurangzeb, children. Aurangzeb imprisoned his father and ascended the throne, children. Aurangzeb ತಂದೆ ಶಹಾಜಾನನ್ನು ಬಂಧನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಅವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಅವರ ಅಪ್ಪನನ್ನ ಬಂಧನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲಂಗೀರ್ ಎಂಬ ಬಿರುದಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಏರಿದ. ಇವನ ಆಡಳಿತ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಈಶಾನ್ಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಯಾರು, ಶಹಾಜಾನನ್ನ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು, ಅಂಡ್ ಅಸೆಂಡೆಡ್ ದ ಥ್ರೋನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅಲಾಮ್ಗೀರ್. ಹಿ ಟೆಂಪರರಿಲಿ quelled the rebellions of Ahoms in the east and Usufates in the northwest. His decision to imprison and dishonor Shivraj resulted in future attacks on Mughals. He had to face the revolts of Rajput, children. ಅವನು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ದಂಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಿದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ರಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಜಪೂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇವಾಡ್, ರಾಥೋಡ್ಸ್, ಸಿಖ್ಸ್, ಜಾಟ್ಸ್, ಬುಂದೇಲಾಸ್ and Satnamis in the north. He waged war against Adil Shahi of Bijapur and Nizam Shahi of Golconda and annexed them to his kingdom, children. Finally, his enmity, children. Innenu Shatrugalu with the powerful of Rajputs led to the downfall of Mughals. Aurangzeb attempted to implement the philosophies advocated in Quran strictly, children. Many popular Hindu temples were spoiled. See children, ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೇನಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಹಿಂದೂ ದೇವಾಲಯಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್ ಕುರಾನಿನ ತತ್ವಗಳು ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಇವನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಹಿಂದೂ ದೇವಾಲಯಗಳು ನಾಶ ಆದವು. ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸತಿ ಆಚರಣೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಕಚೇರಿ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ, ಜೂಜಾಟ, ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ, ಗಾಂಜಾ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ನಿಷೇಧಿಸಿದ. ಆಡಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಹತ್ವ ನೀಡದೆ. ಸಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್